Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a new recipe for a very nice chocolate that is a great gift. You can make this at home and give it to whomever you like best in your life. You want to start out by melting some dark chocolate above some hot water. Then you want to take your candied ginger and you want to separate it into two piles, and you want to cut one pile into very tiny chunks and the other one into bigger chunks. Meanwhile, your chocolate should be melting nicely. You want to make sure that no water gets in there. And then you can take it out if your chocolate is melted completely. You want to try off the bowl. Next, you want to add in the tiny chunks of ginger and mix that in really well. You can now pour it into your chocolate forms. And you want to distribute it evenly in there. And then you can sprinkle the big chunks right on top so they look nice and decorative. And then you're done. You want to let that cool down for at least 4 hours or overnight. And as I said, these are great gifts. You can personalize them whichever way you want. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!